Hi friends, this is Activity 2 for math. Your learning goal is to count up to 20. With this activity, the first problem is asking who has more between Alana and Cal. So you're going to count each puzzle for Alana, you're going to count for Cal, and then you're going to answer the question, who has more? By checking either Alana or Cal. For the next problem, the question says, who has less? You're going to count the blocks for Alana, and then you're also going to count for Cal. And you're going to answer the question by selecting either Alana or Cal, who has less. The last problem says, do they have the same? You're going to count again for Alana. She had a certain amount of toy animals. And then for Cal, you're going to count his toy animals. And then you're going to answer the question, do they have the same number or the same amount of toys? And you're going to select either yes or no. And then you're done.